Hello, I am Dr. Jagdish, plastic and cosmetic surgeon from Hyderabad. I have done my residency in plastic surgery from a government institute in Hyderabad. So I should admit that I had a very little or minimal exposure to cosmetic procedures during my residency. So after completing my residency, I was in search for a fellowship program in cosmetic surgery in India. That is when in my research and from my previous fellows suggested me that Cosmoskill Cosmetic Surgery Fellowship at Chennai Plastic Surgery is the best in the country, and because it has a holistic approach to cosmetic procedures. So that is why I chose to do my fellowship in Chennai Plastic Surgery under the mentorship of Dr. Karthik Ram sir. Dr. Karthik Ram sir and his team at Chennai Plastic Surgery are very welcoming and friendly. So my journey at Chennai Plastic Surgery was very enriching and memorable one. At Chennai Plastic Surgery, I had the opportunity to learn, observe and assist in wide range of both surgical and non-surgical aesthetic procedures, ranging from liposuction, gynecomastia, body contouring procedures, tummy tuck, breast augmentation reduction procedures, rhinoplasty, facelift, blepharoplasty, otoplasty, chin implants and hair transplant, and non-surgical aesthetic procedures like fillers, botox, chemical peels, lasers, which are on a daily basis. Dr. Karthik Ram sir is a holistic plastic surgeon and a very meticulous cosmetic surgeon. I had the opportunity to learn from him on a daily basis, like counseling the patient in the OPD, planning the case, marking, executing the case with a very meticulous way in the operation theatre and the post-operative care. He also taught me how to identify difficult cases like body dysmorphic disorder, to diagnose them, how to counsel them, because these are the patients which were difficult ones in any one's cosmetic practice. I had the opportunity of hands-on practice in few cases under his supervision. Apart from teaching the tips and tricks of cosmetic surgery, he also guided me in how to open a cosmetic center on our own and how to advertise and market ourselves in an ethical way on a social media platforms. I also had an opportunity to present seminars, attend the journal clubs, and I even publish an article in the journal. So it was the 6 months journey at Chennai Plastic Surgery was very enriching, and both academically and clinically. I had the opportunity to learn and experience the art of cosmetic surgery from my mentor Dr. Karthik Ram sir. I would strongly suggest Cosmoskill Cosmetic Fellowship program at Chennai Plastic Surgery for anyone who is looking for a cosmetic fellowship in India.